In modern cities, I think there's a lot of isolation and individualism. So many people spend so much time alone, but often in quite a disconnected way. Our attention is stolen by advertising and by fast-paced consumption. We need a plurality of relationships and different kinds of connections in our lives. I'm not trying to point to solitude as bad in any way or being together with another person as good. It's more that they're both ambiguous. When we're alone, we can feel really connected, and also when we're with other people, sometimes we can feel isolated and lonely. So it's not about being alone or being with other people necessarily, it's more about finding generally a sense of connection. And we don't really have that profound sense of being able to connect to ourselves and to be able to slow down and really live our lives consciously. So, in the systems that we currently live in, and especially in cities, I find that we live at such a fast pace that it's difficult to find moments to really be able to slow down, and these moments of slowing down and pausing allow us to reflect on the way we're living and to live more consciously and to be more present and to make decisions about how we want to be living our day-to-day. So I think that we really need to find ways to find those moments of slowing down, and one way can be through art. Art can take you outside of your own head and outside of your routine and your commuting, especially public art. It can provide a space for you to stop, to pause and reflect and to feel something.
It looks beautiful! Thank you!
Having something there to pause and look at changes the rhythm of the way people move around the space. We are individuals, but too much of a focus on individualism and we lose track of this sense of interconnectedness. It's okay to rely on others and also for others to rely on us, and that sense of interdependence.